What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Xenios Ralamus. In this video we're going to do something that I never done before on my YouTube channel, and I'm sure my subscribers will go crazy. What are you doing, and what is this video? It's not about fitness, it's not about nutrition, it doesn't help us to gain muscle, to lose fat. So if you are new to my channel, this is what I do. I do videos about nutrition, about training. So if you want to get in shape and you want to build muscle and lose fat, then subscribe and turn on the notifications by hitting the bell under the screen of this video. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing of the new iPhone XS Max, which I just got it today. This is the release day. Oh, this is so satisfying. I also got the case, the leather case, which I have on my old phone. Look at this. This is the difference of the color. So I've got this for like 2 years. So this is how it's going to turn. And let's see the phone. Okay, we have the usual stuff, and here is the phone. Wow. So I got it in rose gold, but I don't really think it matters, to be honest, because I'm going to have this case on like I have on my old iPhone. So this is how it's gonna look like. So I don't really think it matters what color is at the back, because as soon as the case goes on, then basically this is how the phone is going to look like. Oh, it just turned on by itself. I don't know how. Probably the button over here pressed. So I'm so happy for this, honestly. And of course we have the stupid headphones that they never give the dongle, which everyone is complaining about. Personally, I don't complain because I never use those headphones. And of course we have the charger. So I don't really use this charger. I got the fast charger, which I had to pay 70 pounds more, but personally I believe it's worth it. So this is the phone. I'm going to play with it. So this is the comparison if you compare it with the old iPhone 7 Plus. As you can see, it's exactly the same size, but obviously the screen is like different. So camera, they say it's the same. So and also the display, I can see right now that the pixels are so good. Obviously I'm going to remove those stickers after the end of this video. So this is it. Honestly, I don't know why I made this video, but for those of you that you want to buy the new iPhone, what I will suggest you is, first of all, ask yourself if you really need it, and make sure that you have an old iPhone. For example, I have the iPhone 7 Plus, so for me it's worth it to upgrade to the XS Max, and we're talking about £1,250 phone, which is ridiculous price. So ask yourself if you really need it, and if you really need it and you can afford it, then buy it. But if you don't need it, then just don't buy it. This is my best advice, because a lot of people have complained about the price, that is too expensive. Although if you think about it, what it does and how much you use it every single day, I don't really think it's expensive. I think, to be honest, that is worth it. So if you have an iPhone X, I don't think it's worth to upgrade. Just stay with iPhone X. But if you have maybe a 7 or maybe a 6 or a 5, then this upgrade is absolutely worth it. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to learn more about fitness, about nutrition, about training. And if you need help with your fitness goals, make sure you book a free consultation call with me or with one of my coaches. And in this consultation session, we're going to discuss how you are going to achieve your dream physique. So we're going to analyze exactly your current situations. We're going to see what diets you've tried before, what are you doing at the gym, what are your biggest struggles, how's your lifestyle, and then I'm going to give you a strategy that is going to allow you to reach your dream physique. So make sure that you book this consultation call. This is also how my clients, the results that they get and I'm looking forward to speak with you. I will see you again on the next video, guys. Thank you so much.